Hi, this is Marty from Photoshop Arthouse. Today's video is short and sweet. I'm going to show you how to transform any regular mundane photo of someone into a dynamic WPAP pop art portrait. WPAP is an acronym for Wedda's Pop Art Portrait. Wedda Abdul Rashid is the Indonesian artist who created this distinct art style in the 1990s, known for its sharp lines, vibrant contrasting colors, and a cubist-inspired geometric deconstruction of portraits. What used to take hours to create, we can now do in a click inside Photoshop with Gemini 2.5 Flash, which is Nano Banana. Open a photo of a person that you'd like to use for this project. If you don't see the contextual taskbar, go to Window, and at the bottom, click it. The first step is to select the entire document by pressing Ctrl or Command A. Then, click Generative Fill. In the prompt field, type in Create WPAP Art. Flat, vibrant, unusual colors. No texture. Make highlights in hair, various vibrant colors. Click the icon here to open the list of AI models. I did an in-depth video that compares Gemini 2.5 with Flux Context Pro, so if you'd like to watch it, I provided its link in this video's description. Each partner model costs 10 credits per generation. Choose Gemini 2.5 and later Gemini 3.0 to see which one you like better. Then click Generate. The processing takes approximately 10 to 20 seconds. Immediately, it created a dynamic, fully realized WPAP pop art portrait. We can create another variation in the Properties panel. Notice we can see our prompt here. Click Generate. This is Marty from Photoshop Arthouse. Please click like and subscribe. Stay safe and be kind. Thanks for watching.